Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be opening August's Lookfantastic box. This is super duper heavy. I'm excited to see what's in here. So it comes shipped in a brown cardboard box like this. This is my second one. If last month is anything to go by, there should be a pretty box on the inside. Ooh, it's orange. Felix. So I was smelling it because it smelled good, and I know they put really good stuff in their products, or in their boxes, so I'm excited already. So here we go. Lookfantastic. Awesome orange. Let's see. We have the Lookfantastic booklet. Inside here we'll explain all the products and we'll include the prices. On the top here we have the Elle magazine, which is a great addition to the box. Love getting that. Oh, it smells so good. And then we have wrapped up. So pretty. On the inside it says, "Sunshine is the best medicine." Okay, so the Lookfantastic subscription box, I paid $23.50 Canadian a month. That includes shipping, tax, all that fun stuff. So if this is anything like my last one, it's definitely well worth the value. I've gone crazy on using everything from my last one, and you know, it's getting to the point where it's like, ooh, I'm actually like gonna start running out of this awesome stuff. Okay, so got this pretty box. Let's open it up and see what's in it, because the smell, the scent is driving me nuts. I absolutely love it. I don't know what's in here, but I love it. Alright, first off, we have a little, from Duce, a little Luscious Lip Stain. And a pretty color. See what else is in here. Ooh, a makeup brush. So this is a Luxie brush, and I really love Luxie brushes. Oh, this feels so nice and smooth. This is the tapered highlighting, 737. I'm excited for that. Can always use more brushes. And like I said, I really like Luxie brushes. Let's see. Vita Liberata Advanced Organics Beauty Blur Skin Tone Optimizer Latte, medium dark. So it looks like it's a skin tint in medium dark. So it's a little bit dark for me, I think. I don't know why I smell everything. Well, it actually smooths out you're not going to be able to see it. Guess if you can't see it, then it kind of matches. But I like the feel. It doesn't have an awful scent. It feels real nice. Okay, even though I wouldn't say this is my color, because I do use tints as foundation, I might use that. I might. So it does have sunscreen in it. So that is good. So this is both a moisturizing primer and a skin finish in one. The sheer tint covers, corrects, and adds natural radiance for your optimum skin tone. I'm just reading. All right, I'm excited to use that. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, what's this? Natura herb infused sheet mask, blemish control and rebalances complexion. Vegan, packed with superfood ingredients. I love the packaging. Packed with a variety of herbs and vitamins, this multitasking mask rebalances skin tone, reduces enlarged pores, brightens complexion while offering deep hydration and nourishment. All right, I'm excited to try this out. It smells good, but I think that's just the container. Maybe they just make their boxes smell pretty. Alright, there's two things left. Rituals Cream On Nourishing Body Cream. And this is the Ritual of Holly. Holy Holly, color your world with love. Flamingo flower and pink grapefruit. And I've heard some really great things about this cream. So I'm going to try it because I am sensitive to some scents, floral scents especially. So I'm going to try this out. I quite like that. I really like that, but I can't tell if that's going to be too perfumey, too flowery. We'll see. I'll find out. Alright, last but not least, we have something in bubble wrap. Ooh. Alright, Bella Pierre Cosmetics Heat Wave Highlighting Palette. So while most people are like, oh, highlighting palette, for me these are actually colors I really like wearing on my eyes. With some shimmer, so this will definitely get some use. So I'm going to check that and see. They give you pretty, at least when they do this stuff, they make it pretty and matching. All right. And once again, I'm left with a really cute box. Alright, so let's go over the prices. Just to note, the prices are in pounds in the book here, and I will write down on the bottom of the screen, converted into Canadian dollars at the time of editing. So we have the Luxie 737 tapered highlighter brush worth £26.50. I would not pay that much for a brush, but when they come included in boxes like this, I think that is yeah, my favorite way to get them, and the affordable way to get them. Anyway, so there's that. There's the Bella Pierre Heat Wave Highlighting Palette worth £29.99. Again, I would not pay that much retail. Next, we have the Vita Liberata Beauty Blur Skin Tone Optimizer in Latte. This is worth £12. The Natura Herb Infused Sheet Mask is £4.95. The Duce Luscious Lip Stain in Holiday Getaway is worth £11.95. And the Rituals of Holy body cream is worth £6.9. I don't actually know how to say that properly. £6.90 something. £6.9. £6.9. I don't know. Anyway, so that's that. I don't love it as much as last ones, but I'm excited to get a lot of good use out of these. I will probably give these away. I really like the lip stain, but I have a significant amount of lip colors, and I can just tell from the time I've had this on that it's a bit too floral for me. But overall, I'm pretty excited about that, and so let me know below, did you receive August's Lookfantastic box? If you did you like everything that came in it? Is there anything you didn't like? Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Everyone, take care. I'm off to make some tea right now, or coffee, I don't know yet. And we'll see you guys later, okay? Bye-bye!